The XIXUBX 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino maker is an efficient 800-watt brewing system designed for those who appreciate quality coffee in a space-saving package. This compact black machine features a robust steam wand that allows users to create rich lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease, bringing the cafe experience directly to your kitchen counter. Its sleek aesthetic ensures it fits seamlessly into any modern home or office environment without occupying excessive space. Equipped with a secure safety lock and durable Tritan cups, the XIXUBX 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino maker prioritizes user safety and longevity. The 3.5 bars pressure system is engineered to extract maximum flavor from coffee grounds, producing a smooth and aromatic espresso every time. The inclusion of high-quality materials ensures that the brewing process remains consistent, providing a reliable morning routine for coffee enthusiasts who value both performance and durability. The intuitive design of the XIXUBX 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino maker makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned baristas. Its simple operation allows for quick preparation of various milk-based beverages, while the easy-to-clean components simplify post-brewing maintenance. Whether you are looking to kickstart your day with a bold shot of espresso or unwind with a creamy latte, this versatile machine offers a convenient and stylish solution for all your caffeine needs. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Sleek and modern appearance, produces rich flavor and crema. Heats up very quickly, simple and easy to use, effective steam wand for frothing, great quality for the price, quiet operation during brewing, safe and reliable performance, easy to clean and maintain, durable Tritan cups included, ideal for small kitchens, quick and intuitive setup. Produces coffee shop quality. Cons: plastic carafe instead of glass, lower pressure at 3.5 bars, limited capacity for large groups. Features: 3.5 bars espresso pressure, integrated steam wand, compact space-saving design, built-in safety lock, durable Tritan cups, 800-watt power output, sleek black finish. The XIXUBX 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino maker is an efficient 800-watt brewing system designed for those who appreciate quality coffee in a space-saving package. This compact black machine features a robust steam wand that allows users to create rich lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease, bringing the cafe experience directly to your kitchen counter. Its sleek aesthetic ensures it fits seamlessly into any modern home or office environment without occupying excessive space. This 800-watt compact espresso machine offers a sleek and space-saving design perfect for small kitchens, delivering rich flavor and quality crema with a very fast heat-up time and quiet operation. While it is highly praised for its intuitive setup, effective steam wand, and the durability of its included Tritan cups, it does have some limitations such as a plastic carafe rather than glass, a lower pressure rating of 3.5 bars, and a capacity better suited for individuals than large groups. Ultimately, it provides safe, reliable performance and coffee shop quality drinks at a great price point, provided you do not mind the smaller output and materials.